I'm so excited to be able to review this phone holder. It is magnetic and I am someone that is always on the go, and I record all around my house as well as in the car. So this is going to be so great to be able to use and pop my phone on. I can't wait to take a look.
Here's everything that comes inside the box, the instruction manual, which you won't even need. It even comes with round magnets if your phone doesn't have a magnet on the back automatically. And I love that it has this on, off, or open, close so that it creates a tight suction when you turn it, and then when you want to remove it, you just turn it in the other direction and it pops off. I love that there are so many different ways and places that you can use this. I was really impressed with the suction quality. It really sticks on well. If you need to remove your phone, it is easy to do, but at the same time, when you are rotating it or moving it around, it holds onto that magnet really strong. Look at just how many different positions in terms of being able to rotate it all the different degrees all the way around. You can spin it in multiple ways so that you can get the perfect angle for whichever surface you are applying this to. I love being able to have this in the car so that I can shoot something in the car if I'm recording a video or pull up something on my phone. It is really great to have around the house as well. I love to use it on the fridge so I can access a recipe or some ingredients. It's also fantastic to be able to do a FaceTime or some site or video so that you can have this in so many different areas, and it really does help to be able to just quickly and easily apply it and be able to use it from so many different places. You do want to make sure that you keep the back side of it clean as you move around to the different surfaces. You want to have a nice clean surface so it doesn't pick up any dirt or lint along the way. This is great quality. I would definitely recommend checking it out.